Hello everyone. In today's lecture, we will study BCD codes in detail. But before that, we must know what are binary codes and why they are needed. So here we are. All the digital circuits processes data in binary format. So that is the first requirement for binary codes. And every code uses binary form for the representation. And all the binary codes represents data which may be in numeric, alphabet or special characters. All the binary codes which we will study, in that the numeric data, alphabet and special character can be represented in the form of 0 and 1. It's necessary to know the binary codes. That is why it is necessary to decode all that character, alphabet and numerals into the binary data. So that is why we must understand what are the binary codes so that we can interpret the binary information. So here is an example that 10000001, this number, binary number, represents 65 in decimal. If you will take decimal binary equivalent of 65, or you can take decimal equivalent of this binary number, you can get 65. But the same number, same binary number is represented as 41 in BCD. If this is a BCD number, if this is a simple binary number, then it is equivalent to 65. But if it is a BCD number, if it is encoded in BCD form, then its decimal equivalent will be 41. And if this binary representation is in sky code, then it is equivalent to the capital letter A or alphabet A. So likewise, we can see that the same binary number can be decoded into 65, 41 and A, depending upon the which binary code we are using. So here we go with the classification of the binary codes. We will study BCD code, XS3 code, gray code, alphanumeric code and error detecting and correcting code, in which parity, checksum, block parity and Hamming code will exist. But in this lecture, we will only concentrate on the first one, which is a BCD code. So BCD code is also called natural BCD code, 8421 code or BCD code simply. What is the full form of BCD? It is simply binary coded decimal. A decimal number is encoded in a binary form. But how to represent a decimal number in BCD number? So a BCD number is a 4-bit binary group that represents one of the 10 decimal digits from 0 to 9. So we can represent each decimal digit with a 4-bit binary number in BCD form. And it is also called a weighted code, and the weight for the respective positions will be 8421. That is why it is also called 8421 code. Now here is here it is representing the weights of the particular positions. So we are representing only 4-bit position because it is a 4-bit code only. So for the first bit position, the weight is 2 raised power 0 means 1. For second position, it is 2 raised power 1 means 2. For third position, it is 2 raised power 2 means 4. And for fourth position, it is 2 raised power 3 means 8. So that is why 8421 code. So now we will study how to convert a BCD number into a decimal number. So let us see, this is a number. This is some BCD number 100101110001. So this is a BCD number. So we have to convert it into a decimal number. In this, first of all, we will make pair of 4. Now this pair of 4, this group of 4 will represent one decimal digit. Like 0001 will represent 1, 0111 represents 7 and 1001 represents 9. Now here is one more example. Now let us say 350 is a decimal number. So we will just write its we will just write 4-bit binary equivalent for each decimal digits. Like for 0, the binary representation in the group of 4 is 0000, And similarly for 5, we can write it as 10101, but it will be represented in a group of 4. So we have to add 0 in front. So it will be 0101. Similarly for 3, it is 0011. Now similarly there is one more example, 4926. Let us suppose 4926. What is the representation, BCD representation for this decimal number 4926? So we have to write respective 4-bit binary code for each decimal digits. For 6 we will write 0110. For 2 we will write 0010. For 9 we will write 1001, and for 4 we will write 0100. Now we can see here that now you can see that in this case I will take one example. Now let us suppose you have a number 1001. So you can easily decode that if it is a 0011. So for writing its decimal equivalent, we can make group of 4, and then we can decode that 1001 is equivalent to 9 and 0011 is equivalent to 3. So its decimal equivalent is 93. But what about 1100 and 0011? So this is nothing but, this is okay, this is 3, but what is this? This is not a BCD number, because it is having a binary equivalent greater than 9. So that is what we will study here. So here you can see in the next table that these are the decimal numbers. So we have a decimal digits from 0 to 9. We have only 10 digits. So if we will move further from 9 to 10, so 10 is just a combination of 1 and 0. So 10 can be made with a combination of 1 and 0. So what will be the representation of for 10? For 10, if you have to write down BCD equivalent for 10, you will write 0001, and for 0 it will be 0000. So this is the BCD representation for 10. Similarly for, I will take example of 13. So for 13 it will be 0001 and 0011. This is the BCD representation for 13. Okay, so because from 0 to 9 there are 10 digits for the decimal numbers, so that are defined. But what about the next counting after 9? It will comes 10, 11 and so on, but all that numbers are the combination of these digits only. So here is a table. So we can see that 0 to 9, these are the decimal numbers, and here is a BCD codes. Now BCD code or 8421 code 00000001 and so on. We have written just a 4-bit binary equivalent of all these decimal numbers. Now next is mostly computers deal with the data in 8 bits. So there is a possibility to encode these BCD numbers in following formats. First one is unpacked BCD. Now what is this unpacked BCD? In this unpacked BCD, each numeral, or you can say each digit, is encoded into 1 byte, with 4 bits representing each numeral and remaining bits having no significance. For example, we have a decimal number 8 and we have to represent this 8 in an unpacked BCD. So how we will represent this 8 in unpacked BCD? So what is the 4-bit representation of 8? It is 1000. So we have written here. So what about the rest of the upper bits, upper nibble? So it will be written 0000. So we have written here that upper 4 bits will be having no significance. Similarly, if we have a 2-digit number, decimal number 81. So 81 in unpacked BCD, it can be represented like this. 8, similarly 8 can be represented in 4-bit 1000, and upper nibble will add just 4 zeros, and for 1 it is 0001, and for upper nibble it is 0000. Now second type is packed BCD. In packed BCD there are 2 numerals encoded into a single byte. For example, if we have to encode 81 can be encoded in packed BCD like for 8 we have to write 4-bit code, and for 1 we have to write again 4-bit binary code, that is 0001. So for packed, for 81 the representation in packed BCD is this, and for unpacked is the previous one. So we will take parallelly both the examples. Now first of all, unpacked BCD. For unpacked BCD, we have to represent each digit in a 8-bit. So we will first of all we will represent 8 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0, and for 1 it is first 4 bits 0 0 0 0 and 0 0 0 1. So this is the unpacked representation for 81. And similarly for 81, what is packed BCD? How we will write packed BCD? It is simply 1 0 0 0 and 0 0 0 1. So you can see that range also varies for packed and unpacked BCD. So we will study this with the example next. Now here we can also see the range. What will be the effect on the range if we will just talk about the binary number? So and we consider the 8-bit number. So we know that the range for 8-bit number is from 0 to 255, but for packed BCD this range will changes to 0 to 99, and for unpacked 0 to 9. So we can understand this by example, that we are talking about the 8-bit number. So for the lowest 8-bit number is this one, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and highest largest 8-bit number is this one. So in packed BCD, first of all we will consider a packed BCD. For packed BCD we can represent 2 decimal digits with a single byte. So we can represent 2 decimal digits. So what is the highest? This is about the binary. So with this we have a range 0 to 255. But what about, this is about binary. But what about BCD? In BCD we are talking about the packed BCD. So we have a range 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. So what is this? This is nothing but a range from 0 to 9 9. You can see it is 9, it is 9. So this is your packed BCD. Packed BCD. Now what about unpacked BCD? We have studied that in unpacked BCD we can represent a single decimal digit with a byte. So if we want to represent this is the minimum number 0. So if we want to the largest number, it is just 1001. So simply it is what? It is 9. So what will be the range? It is from 0 to 9 for unpacked BCD. So here is what I have written, that for 8-bit number I have taken the smaller example to understand easily. Similarly the same example will same format will be follows for the 16-bit number. It will have a range for binary number 0 to 65535, and for packed BCD it is from 0 to 9999, and for unpacked BCD it is from 0 to 99. Thank you.